Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add Twitch chat to OBS. So I don't know what Twitch chat you actually mean, but there are two ways that you can add Twitch chat. First of all, if you are a Twitch streamer and you want to see Twitch chat, as in Twitch chat, and not just the thing on the screen that the stream sees, then you can head over here and connect your Twitch account. Okay, so now we're connecting our Twitch account, and as you can see, it has connected. Click on apply, and you should see your stream information here as well as the stream chat. So like, this is just the chat that you'll see on Twitch, and these are the information that you can put before you can start streaming. Now need to go to Streamlabs over here. Streamlabs is amazing. Just head to dashboard. Streamlabs has everything that you need if you want to be a streamer, or if you are a streamer, then I think you should know what Streamlabs is by now. And yeah, I have some weird stuff over here. And what you need to do is head over to all widgets, and here you'll find the chat box. This is what we want. We want to see chat. Click on it, and then once you do, it should be giving you this widget URL. But you can also take your time to modify how you want your chat to look like. So yeah, this is the things that you see on stream. So just copy that. I'm not gonna show you that. Shh. And then now we're just gonna head over to back to OBS. Then click here on sources. Click on browser. Okay. Then just paste it. Okay. And your chat should be here. So just to show you how it works, if I do chat here, as you can see, it did appear here on my chat. As you can see, that small little thing. Can even zoom it in. See, it works. That's it. That is how you can add your Twitch chat on OBS. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.